Very windy, choppy, but on 3S there shouldn't be any problem. There's plenty of power with the Racerstar 2300 kV and 2205 Racerstar that I've put inside instead of the original motor. The original motor was very weak, noisy, wasn't doing too much. This is heavier, but much more fun. I have about 15 minutes of runtime with the throttle on. If I get some thermics and lift, I can push it into 20 minutes, and if I go to the slopes, I can go forever, guys. I got a little rudder servo mounted directly near the rudder because I wanted to counter the weight of the bigger motor and the aluminium spinner, and I didn't want to use any ballast weight. I wanted to use the whole flying weight of the model to be perfect without adding some lead or screws or whatever pieces of metal. So I've mounted the rear rudder servo directly on the boom by the tail, so I got a perfect balance with 3S between 550 to 850 milliampere hours. That's 3S. This is the original ESC. It tends to heat up quite a lot because the motor is pulling much more than the original one, but it gives you some warning by fluctuating the throttle, so you know not to push it too hard. Also flying with a buzzer to let me know when my battery is running low, so I can prepare to land. This is 30% throttle, almost silent. Some wing-overs. There's a whistle. Birds. Almost got it. Very difficult to land in this choppy weather. Got it. So this is the front. It has a folding spinner full of sand. I got the battery here, the receiver here. This is the receiver lines. This is the rudder.
Timer 1 elapsed. Engines disarmed.
The line of the servo goes through here, entering the fuselage and connect the receiver, which is here. I got flaps on the slider. Can also have brakes, and of course it's mounted very small servos into the fuselage. And like I said, you can see where I chopped the fuselage, put a new bigger motor, stuck the piece of fuselage back again, and put this folding prop and spinner. This is the battery and the buzzer, and this is the elevator servo. So that's it, guys.